Welcome friends, in this video you're going to learn how to use crypto signals, why 90% of traders lose money when they use them, and how to avoid top 5 mistakes that most of the people do. Friends, I'm not sponsored by any exchange, any project. I'm sponsored only by your like and your subscribe. About this topic, why this topic is so important, and we record a video because so many people that join our crypto community, especially when they join a place where we share our trades, they do same mistakes over and over again, and my friends, I can help you with avoiding these mistakes because I speak with many traders and I see these mistakes from practice. What is first crypto signals, crypto alerts? It is when some person tell you where to open a trade, where to set stop loss and take profit, like we do in our community, like this example on Bitcoin, when I told our community to open short trade with stop loss on a screenshot, and after that update about what you should do with your trade. But why it is sometimes difficult to follow some traders, experienced traders, and most of the people don't make money, and especially those of you that were in different crypto communities, I think you understand me, especially if you watch this video, and you can agree with me, especially if you agree, write in the comments that you mostly lose money in crypto communities. First reason why beginners lose money trading on signals, it is absence of training. We had situations when people came to our community, followed our trades, and they even didn't know how to set stop losses. They didn't know how to set take profits. They didn't know what volume to put in, how to work with platform. It's insane, my friends. If you started and you don't know this basic knowledge, it is forbidden to join any signals communities, at least do some education. For all of you, we prepared a mini course to help you how to avoid mistakes made by 90% of traders. It is a vital starting point that enable you to start earning money more than what you lose. At this moment, there would be a link. I recommend you to grab it. It will be really cheap for you. Everyone can afford it. Second, signals are not a holy grail. When you start receiving signals, many beginners think that every trade will hit take profit. But it is not how we make money. In reality, as a traders, we can make money even if we write in less than 50% cases. Example in this statistic, during that time, we made approximately 300% of profit, but win rate only 46, profit loss ratio 4.32. What that means? Let me explain to you with plain English. Win rate 46% means that we made 100 trades we made, and only 46 of them were profitable. 54 of them were negative. And main reason why we made money, because notice on this number, 4.3, it means that when price went against us, we lose, as example, we lost $100, but when price went into our direction, we made $430. That means in 4.3 times more. That calls risk reward. By the way, there would be a special article about risk reward, win rate. We have lessons. I'll add it all in description. Win rate and risk reward ratio. It is continue of this that signals is not a holy grail. You should learn a simple math. What is risk reward? What is win rate? Because most of the people came and they don't understand it. It's sad. Another one, it is a risk per trade. Because many beginners came to signals and they think that nearly every second signal will hit take profit. They put too big size into a trade. As a traders, in this example, my friend, based on this statistic, we don't know which trade exactly hit take profit, but we have math that shows to us if we make 100 trades, 46 of them will hit our take profit. For us, it is a vital to have low risk. What means? Do not put into a trade more than 1% of your capital. I mean risk per trade. What is risk per trade? I'll add a special lessons below because it is important topic. I recommend you to watch. And because what was a story? During worst month on previous year, I had 19 trades, negative trades in a row. And if you put into a trade even 5%, it would be approximately 50% drawdown. It's too much. In our community, we recommend all people to put not more than 1%. Friends, if you think that what I'm sharing with you is useful for you and you would like to get updates from us, feel free to subscribe, to push like, and write any comment. I personally will reply on it. And reason number 5, traders quite often skip trades and do not follow entry rules. Because imagine on this example, we take a trade and our risk reward during the trade is 1 to 5. We take a trade here, 1 to 5. That means if price hit our stop loss, as example, we lose $100. If price hit our take profit, we make $520. It calls risk reward 1 to 5. But imagine you took a trade only 1 hour after, 2 hours after, and price already moved into our position. And your stop loss become a little bit bigger with same take profit, and your risk reward decreased from 1 to 5 to 1 to 0.16 in more than 2 times lower. And in this case, if price hit our take profit, we make, for example, $500. In this case, we make $212 with risk 100 USD. But my friends, if in the first case price hit our stop loss even 3 times before, we still in a profit. That means if you have minus 100, minus 100, and minus 100, if you add 500, you still have $200. But in a second case, if you have 3 stop losses before, you lose money. And same trade, but by one small stuff, you have different results. That's how it works. That's why, my friends, it's so important to learn all of these details. Thanks for watching. In next video, I will share with you how to use Binance futures if you're from United States. Also, how to analyze Bitcoin properly and Bitcoin update. If you see that it's important for you and interesting, feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell to get notification. Thank you.